Hello all. Today let's look at the recipe for beetroot pulav. In a pressure cooker, take 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add spices. Here I have taken 3 to 4 cloves, cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves and cumin seeds. Once cumin seeds crackle, add 3 to 4 green chillies and cook for 30 seconds. Add 1 onion chopped. Add turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste and cook until there is no raw smell of ginger garlic paste. After onions are cooked, add 1 beetroot and 1 potato chopped into cubes. Add 1 tablespoon of chilli powder. Add 1 tablespoon Garam Masala powder. Mix the masala well with beetroots and potatoes and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add green peas. Add soaked brown rice. I have taken 2 cups of brown rice. Add 4 cups of water. Adjust the salt to your taste. Add coriander leaves. Cook for 2 whistles in a pressure cooker. Beetroot pulav is done. Take into a serving bowl.